Thank you for watching Asyans, where culture meets creativity. Subscribe now and join our journey of handmade elegance.
Welcome to the embroidery class with Asyan. Here we have the materials needed for the stitch. Embroidery hook, needles, piece of fabric, colorful threads, carbon paper. We will take an 18-inch thread and tie a knot. Now we will fix the fabric in the hook so that it does not move. Next, we will draw the desired design in the center of the fabric. We will use red color thread so the design stands out clearly. Bring the needle up at point 1. Insert the needle down at point 2, a short distance away. Tape the thread around the needle several times. The number of wraps will decide the length of the knot. Pull the needle gently through the wraps, keeping them smooth. Insert the needle down just beyond the wraps to secure the knot.
We began by teaching skills in Pashto and Urdu, and now we're excited to teach in English too, with subtitles in your language. Anyone can learn. Now we're also teaching advanced level fashion designing in English. And for your love, we created Asyans, a unique, customizable brand just for you. Follow us, stitch with us, and create with us. Asyans, where culture meets creativity.